Okay. Okay, Abby, that's good. Yeah, get down. Hey guys, well, today we're gonna do a little upgrades to the old welding cart here. This is my little wagon that I had when I was really young. Yeah, it might have even been my older brother's wagon before it was mine. I don't know, but it's been around for a long time, and I turned it into my welding cart here. Oh, quite a few years ago. Put some bigger tires on it and put a shelf on it, and it's worked really good. The only problem is now I have a plasma cutter, and I'm kind of tired of kicking that around the garage, and it doesn't have a home. So we're gonna get that on here with the welder, and then we gotta do a little something with my steering here, because when I turn the handle, the wheels hit the bottom of the wagon body. That's the project for today, I guess. So here we go. Well, I thought I was gonna do some turning on the lathe, but I found a piece of scrap that I had from when I was making the motor mount for the Gale. And that is a bar that's goes across here, and I thought, that might be better to help just make it a little more rigid. So I did that and instead, and added a few more washers, and now we got real good clearance on the tires for turning. So we got that part done. I guess now we'll work on the shelf, and we'll get that fabbed up here and welded on, I guess. So okay, well, I got the shelf lowered here, and we'll put the plasma cutter here and the welder on top. It's gonna get a little tall, but should be all right. It's fairly stable. I don't really plan on moving it out of the garage or in front of the garage anyways, so we'll have to make a little trip back to the steel shed to find some scrap pieces to make some legs and cut a piece of 1/4 inch plate to make a shelf. Well, I got the shelf built, and plasma cutter fit down here, welder up here. I got sides on here so she won't slide off on me, and I can still open the door. But I fixed the front axle and made that more sturdy, but the back axle is still pretty wonky, so I'm gonna make another bar, try to get rid of some of this. Because the metal on the old wagon here is, it's cracked, and it's pretty old, and it's been stressed quite a bit. So I'll just have to find another piece to bolt on there, and it should be done. Well, no, it won't be done. I got something to do for cord management. cart is done. I got her loaded up. I got her painted. Just like go to flat black. Nothing special. Lowered the shelf. Built this shelf. Reinforced the front. Reinforced the back. Made some cord management over here from a scrap piece I got at work the other day. And yeah, it turned out how I was thinking that it would. She's a little bit of a rock to her yet, but it's solid, and I'm really not worried about it, because the farthest I'm going is the other side of that door. You know, the front apron of the house. That's all the farther this rig is going. It rolls around nice, steers good. I have a home for my plasma cutter, which has been bothering me for quite a while now, and another job clicked off the list, right? I'm glad it's done. So now I can get back to working on the Gale again, and yeah. So that's it for this one. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button. Thanks. Bye.